Hey guys, so we are on our way to the airport. Running hella late. Don't be like us and drive this fast, but we are running late. I pushed a lot of time, so hopefully we make this. We're gonna get to the airport exactly at 10 o'clock and our flight is at 11. But we're just hoping for the best right now. I just feel like we're gonna make it. Like, we're gonna make this. There's no way that we're not gonna make this. But yeah, so this is the beginning of the vlog to the Maldives, my birthday vacation. I feel like I should say this in the beginning of my videos because I never say them in the beginning of my videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will catch you guys at the airport because all I'm trying to do right now is get inside of the airport, check my bags, and try to get to our gate before 10:30, which is usually when they start boarding. So wish us luck. All right guys, we made it. We're on the flight. We are flying. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are flying with Emirates. They give us these really cute like travel hygiene kits. It comes with a mask, some gloves, and hand sanitizer, right? Thank you. Thank you. And some other stuff. I don't know what this is, but no, eye covers and socks. It's really comfy. It's our first time flying with Emirates, and it's actually a toothbrush and earplugs. That comes in handy. So yeah, we are about to take off in like less than 10 minutes. We're gonna take off, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Dubai. I still have my makeup on from earlier. I'm going to basically just wash off like my face area, take like makeup wipes and just wash off my face so that way I can just like sleep and just, you know, go to the bathroom or anything. I just wash my face clearly, and then I'm gonna do my makeup over once we're closer to Dubai, because we land in Dubai at 7 p.m. Tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so we just got to Dubai. It is our layover stop. But we didn't just get to Dubai, but we've been trying to figure out if we're just gonna leave like our stuff at the airport and then go out, or should we just go to a hotel? And I think a hotel is a better option because I need to get dressed, and oh my god, so I completely forgot to bring an extra wig cap, so I have to switch out my wigs. And I don't know how I'm about to do this, but I think what I'm about to do is use the back of my wig cap to apply the front, or try to bring it lower. I don't know what I'm about to do, but I have to make it work because I literally don't have no other cap but what's on my head, and the wig is just not going to give scalp if I don't have a cap under it. So I'm really gonna try to make it work, but we're about to be on our way to our hotel to get ready, and then we're gonna go to a place called Penthouse Dubai. Ooh, there's a lot of people here, and I'm over here recording myself, but we're gonna go to a place called Penthouse Dubai. It's like a lounge nightclub that has like food and stuff, so hopefully they don't start serving food at a certain time. Yeah, well, I'll get back on here when we get to the hotel. Bye. Alright guys, so we are checked into our hotel room. We really just got some like whatever, because we're only gonna be here for like 5 hours. It's cute though. It's real cute. It's real cute. Show y'all. Hey, mirror. Thanks. My outfit. That's my outfit. My airport outfit. You like it? You like it? I'm getting a light. Boom. Aaliyah t-shirt. Got this from, I think, Pretty Little Things. Got the pants from Pretty Little Things too. My Yeezys, I literally always travel with these. These are my whatever Yeezys. Don't mind my hair. I'm about to redo it. Boom. Then Go here. This is the bathroom. Really nice, really cute, really cute, really cute. I'm talking really fast. I don't know where the light is. I'm talking really fast because literally, oh, they, yeah, see this? Vanity light. Is the vanity light on? No, it's not on. Why is the vanity light not working though? The lights of the vanity is not turning on. Oh, there it is. So this is the bathroom. Real cute bathtub, TV, bed, a little seating area, and our view is over the creek. I mean, you won't really be able to enjoy it so much because, well, oh, I thought it was facing the creek. Oh, it is facing the creek. The creek is over there. But yeah, we won't be able to enjoy it too much because literally we're leaving in a couple of hours. But yeah, I am about to take this wig off. It's a long time coming. She already coming off on the side, so about to take this wig off, shower, get dressed, head out, come back, get dressed again, go to the airport. Bye. All right, you guys, so my birthday is officially over in Dubai. But in New York, it's still my birthday, so I'm still treating it as such. Let me show you guys my outfits, and maybe a little, okay. This is my outfit. This is a dress that was made by my cousins. Real cute. It's like a champagne, you know, a little extra, so I always gotta have my extra outfits. It's supposed to be like falling like this, but you know, I'm in Dubai anyways, and you know, you can't be showing a lot of skin, so regardless, looks cute. This is my hair. I switched my wig. I forgot my glue at home, so literally this is being held on with holding spray, and I'm just praying for the best. I got my bag that my boyfriend got me for my birthday. My heels are Sophia Webster's. They are her flamingo heels. Let me show you guys up close. Oh, these are her flamingo heels. Really cute. But yeah, so we have to head out because it's basically 1 a.m. over here, well 12:30, and everything is basically closing. So we're going to one place that's open until 3, and we're gonna stay there for like an hour and take pictures. So yeah, 3 minutes. All right, so yeah, we're going to a place called Penthouse Dubai, and it's like a nightclub lounge thing. I'm hoping that they have food there because I'm really, really hungry. If they don't, then we're just gonna try to find some type of food on our way back or something, and then take pictures, and then get home, change, and go to the airport to get our flight, which is at 2:45. So yeah, bye. Don't even know how much we almost didn't make it. My hair looks a mess. I'm sweaty, I'm hot, my makeup looks a mess, but I'll fix it once we get there. My hair is still on, I believe, and yeah, we made it. We're about to get on the airplane to our resort. We'll be staying at Emerald Resort, Maldives. So I'll see you guys when we get on the plane and then to our results. Later. How you doing? We're here. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Huh? Signature mocktail.
Mocktail. They have a mocktail.
What's mocktail?
It's not no
liquor, right?
It's no liquor in it. Hi. I don't even know if I'm recording it or not, but let's hope they see it. Okay.
It's express test.
Okay.
Does you do it through the nose too?
No, he said blood.
No, just only blood.
The finger.
But
Okay.
as you're flying from Emirates, do you require a PCR test?
Yeah, we have to do a PCR test.
We will check your sample on 31st.
Okay.
And then the PCR test, the charges is 150 plus tax and service charge.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the football ground and volleyball court. And then we have 2 pedal court and a tennis court.
Okay. Ooh. Yes, they do. The basketball's right there.
No, it's not.
Look.
And the white color building is our fitness center, open 24 hours.
Okay. So you can do your little crunches.
How deep is the water over here?
It's 4.5 meters.
4.5 what?
2.5 meters.
2.5
Meters?
meters.
So it's like 8 feet.
8 feet?
Still on your life jacket. This is it.
So, hold on.
Oh, this is so nice. Thank you. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, thank you guys. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, baby, thank you. Why are you kissing me through a mask? Wow, this bathroom is gorgeous. Wow. My Fenty photos is gonna come out so nice. Okay. All right.